Guys, if you happen to bump into a genie, and this guy is like, he'll grant you 3 wishes, what would they be?
Boyfriend. I want to be a boy just for a day. I just want to, discover how do they feel, how do they do that musty thing.
I would want to be a part of Raw. I want girls who are attractive, who are sexy enough, so that and who have a good physique. Means.
That depends on the mood.
Okay, of genie
and
of
the ambience of the genie.
Here is the plot twist.
And what would you give to genie in return?
Bad past experiences.
Sexually transmitted.
Obviously, that's all I could give. That would be obviously important for him. He's a genie. He can, take away anything.
You can take my teachers.
Hey, what's up, QR Teens? Yet another exciting episode coming your way. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video till the very end. What if a genie grants you 3 wishes? What would they be?
3 wishes.
Yeah, he's willing to grant 3 wishes of yours. Can you please tell me one of the coolest wishes that you can ask?
Shopping. First of all, I would like to, just freeze this age and this body type, because I've worked really hard for it. Okay, number 1.
I want to become the president of India.
I want to become Miss Universe.
I want a lot of money.
Okay.
I should have a beautiful girlfriend.
I want my future with my boyfriend.
I want to write about my fantasies.
What will you do becoming the president of India?
Reform the country.
Reform the country.
Indeed.
Like what?
Like this country, we have a lot of clashes in the name of religion, and we do not have a lot of focus towards science and technology. So just like Abdul Kalam did, I want to be like him.
मुझे ट्विलाइट के रॉबिन पैटिंसन जैसा वैम्पायर बॉयफ्रेंड चाहिए.
To marry a really, really rich guy.
जितने सेलेब्स हैं सबसे सारे.
Specifically किससे मिलना?
Sir Kate Winslet.
I would actually want to look like Kate Winslet.
Okay, Kate Winslet. Okay.
Yeah.
Hrithik Roshan comes and he asks me for a date. Himself. Okay, not me asking.
I drive a car really fast. I am an ectomorph, so I would like to have big muscles so that I can impress girls and big ladies out there.
Big ladies. What is big ladies?
Big ladies means
Muscular ladies.
Not muscular ladies. Girls with 36, 24, 36. Big ladies.
Give you 1 lakh more subscribers.
That's so sweet of you.
I know.
Did I tell you I wanted to become Miss India as well?
You did not, but now you have officially told the whole world that you were aspiring to be Miss India.
Right.
You
Okay.
should have tried. Why didn't you?
Okay. Good one.
जिनसे कहूँगी मुझे बॉयज हॉस्टल लेके जाओ.
Perfect. To get a good life partner.
Good life partner. So you don't have a life partner, na?
No, I don't.
Please इनको देखिए और इनको उनके life partner please find her. Yes.
Yeah, you can apply. I don't have any boyfriend.
The form you have to fill in.
Yes. Comment करके वीडियो के नीचे apply and she will contact you.
But I know I'm not giving you any contact number. Sorry.
Then you take it forward. क्या करना है?
Yeah,
I'll give you.
You can contact me on Facebook.
Okay.
My life partner enough mature. She gives more space as I give her, and beautiful.
Beautiful.
I want to eat a lot and not get fat.
Oh yeah.
I will be, ask him to grant me a boon to be immortal.
Wow. Terrific.
Tomorrowland Ultra and Coachella. I want to be a DJ.
If I would get that genie, I would ask my father back in my life.
I would wish that I would become a superwoman so that I can help as many people as I can.
दुनिया चली जाएगी अकेले रहोगी क्या फायदा? और दुनिया people will come and they will go, but I'll stay forever.
No boyfriend, no nothing, no girlfriend. Nothing.
I'll keep on changing boyfriends.
Discover this whole world. Whatever things do exist in this world, I want to discover all those possible things.
My first wish will be that make me slim.
You're already very slim.
sort of fitness and मतलब charming type बनना चाहती हूँ.
I want to become an entertainer.
Like us, like हमारी जगह तुम होना चाहते तो फिर आ जाओ, तुम इधर ना उधर खड़ा हो जाता हूँ.
I want my Prince Charming. That's all.
So here is the plot twist. Genie says, "Okay, I will grant your wishes. Now tell me one thing that you can do for Genie. You have to please Genie."
Oh, that's a difficult one.
Yeah, I know.
You have to give something back to the Genie. You have to give something to the Genie.
Thing.
That's a tricky question.
I'll give him. I love him. I'll give him.
You'll what? Pass him to Genie?
Yeah.
Lots of flying kisses.
What about you?
I'll give her.
Same thing.
Then we will stay together, no?
Would you like to go for a coffee date and a movie after that?
What happens to Ritik?
No, but I can go on 2 dates. Yeah. What's the problem?
You won't give anything to Genie.
Too selfish.
I'll offer him my eyes so that he can have those beautiful pair of eyes.
Well, I'm a dancer.
Okay.
And I'll dance really well in front of him so that
And entertain him.
yeah, to the fullest.
नहीं, it depends कि वो क्या मांगता है. अगर हम fulfill कर सकते हैं, if possible, that I can give that thing to Genie, then I would surely do it. Surely do it.
I'll just become selfish here. So I think I'll give him the bad habits, bad grades, and a lot of fat.
So what are your 3 wishes? Write them in the comment section down below. Also check out this funny video by clicking right here. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're watching our videos for the very first time, please tell us where are you from and do subscribe to our channel. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. Do the regular like and share on Facebook by searching for Quick Reaction Team. And also follow us on our Instagram page. I'll see you guys next Tuesday 4 PM. Goodbye. This guy says, I am a boy and I am in love with a beautiful gay. She looks like a girl, but she doesn't have that.
It helps you break the bed.
तन की शक्ति, मन की शक्ति, कौन बेटा?
Takat?
More energy, I guess.
Energy, like a